Hello everyone! I'm here with Mr. T, the ice cream man, and we're going to be making a super spooky Halloween ice cream.
Yes, Gecko. Today we're going to make a horrible Halloween ice cream. But first I think we need to change into our Halloween costumes. Yes, Gecko. Look at me. I'm a mad scientist.
And I am a scary vampire. I hope there's no garlic in the ice cream. What's next, Mr. T?
We're gonna make ice cream in a witch's cauldron today. We're filling the cauldron up with ice cream, Gecko, and then we're gonna put lots of ghoulish sweeties on there.
Wowzers! That cauldron fits a lot of ice cream in it. I've never seen an ice cream that big.
Look at that, Gecko. Now we're all ready to put some ghoulish, gory toppings on top of your ice cream.
Oh, this is my favourite bit.
Let's start off with these red-blooded snakes. They're going to be absolutely horrible. Horrible, I say. There we have the eyes of a newt picked this morning.
Ooh, these sweeties are creepy.
And we have the heart of a frog. And the teeth of a vampire.
Oh dear, that doesn't sound good for me.
Now we have some spooky chocolate crumbles. And then on top of this, we put some powdered vampire's blood. And some lovely, lovely, horrible snakes. And now we have some wizard's teardrops. Yes.
Now we're done with the sweeties. I think we should add some tasty sauce. Now that looks to me like gooey werewolf's blood.
And to finish off this masterful, ghoulishly creative ice cream, we are going to add the famous Beetlejuice. And there we have it, Mr. T's ghoulishly gory Halloween ice cream. And we all scream for ice cream.
Thanks very much to Mr. T for his amazing Halloween ice cream creation. And thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.
Happy Halloween!
Halloween! Bye!